Welcome to our first video on integration. This is the second part of the calculus course. So before we looked at differentiation, and now we're going to look at integration. So integration is basically anti-differentiation. So that's what some textbooks call it. It's just the opposite of anti-differentiation. It's the opposite of differentiation. So the best way to see that is with an example. So if we say y is equal to x squared, we can differentiate that. We can say that dy dx is equal to 2x. So now if we're gonna integrate this, remember this is anti-differentiation. So when you integrate 2x, you should get back to what you had originally. That's the whole idea. So I'll go a different color. I'll say this blue here. That's the symbol for integration, 2x, and then afterwards you have to write dx. Okay. So if we integrate this, we're going to get x squared plus c. And I'll talk about the plus c in a second, but just for now, you see that if you integrate 2x, you're going to get x squared. So you go back to what you originally had before you differentiate it. So it's like it goes backwards after differentiation. So it's the opposite of differentiation. So hopefully that makes sense. That's the idea of it. And now this little guy here, the number c, okay, so this is called our constant of integration. Constant of integration. There we go. Okay, and I'll explain why we have this little guy in here as well. So we're going to go down and we're going to use orange, and we're going to say this time y is equal to x squared plus 3. Okay, instead of just y is equal to x squared we had above. Now if we get our dy dx, again dy dx is going to be 2x, because the plus 3 is going to go to 0. So let's draw it over here. If we integrate that, we'll use this one here. If we want to integrate that, integrate our 2x to the dx, okay, we're going to get our x squared like we saw up here. So basically what the plus c says is, so if you integrate 2x, you're going to get what you originally had, but the integration can't guess what number this is, because no matter what number it is, if it's 3, if it's 4, if it's 5, if it's a million, it's still going to go to 0, and the integration can't guess that. So they just put a plus c there at the end, because they know there's some sort of constant, so they call c the constant of integration. And you can find that if you're given more information, but just for now, you only have to say plus c. So hopefully that's all clear. That's basically all there is about kind of just the basics of integration. We're going to talk about the rules and everything and how you integrate later on, but just so you understand that it's going backwards from differentiation, and you always have to add plus c. So I hope the video helped.